Hello students, today we start fourth lesson, evolution. In evolution we see the first concept of evolution, second point the stages of evolution of animals, and third point apes. Before starting the point, in third lesson we see that formation of earth, how earth is formed, and how is the beginning of life on earth. We saw that water bodies were formed on the surface of earth. Various kinds of unicellular organism. Which is that? Protozoa. Yes, protozoa first appeared in water. And we need a microscope to see very tiny protozoa. Multicellular organism gradually evolved from unicellular ones. And the living world on the earth consists plants and animals. Okay, and we see the characteristics of animal. Which are they? Anyone can tell that? I think you study very well. I will tell you that characteristics. Animals can breathe, animals can move around to get food or other purposes, animal can reproduce their young ones. Yes, these are the characteristics of animals. Okay, now we see the lesson evolution. Okay, first, which is the first point? The first point is the concept of evolution. Okay, the word evolution is generally understood to mean gradual and continuous change. Gradual means slowly. Gradual means slowly, steadily. Gradual means slowly and steadily continuous change. That is evolution. Evolution in the planet and animal world can be explained in the following manner. Evolution is a process in which there is a slowly and continuous change in maybe in animal or planet. We see in following manner. In the process of survival, by adapting to environmental changes, certain internal physical changes occur in some animals of species. Over a period of time, these internal changes became inherited characteristics seen in all following generations. Thus, a new species with characteristics different from the original may be created. Such a species is usually more evolved than the original one. Sometimes the original species dies or become extinct. Sometimes more than one species evolve from the original one. Okay, here we see the evolution. In evolution, in the process of survival. In evolution, it is the process of survival. For process of survival, the animals can adapt the environment changes. There is a we know that there is environmental change in our earth. This results in internal physical changes in that animal. Okay, and that are inherited by subsequent generations. And because of these internal changes, a new species occur with the new changes characteristics different from the original. Means in original species adapt the environmental changes. There is a because of the environmental changes, there is a internal physical change in original species, and the new species are formed with the characteristics of different changes. Understand? New species are more evolved than the original species. Original species become extinct sometimes. Sometimes more than one species evolve out original species. Okay? Understand that? Sometimes the original species dies out or becomes extinct. Extinct यानी नाम शेष होना, यानी किसी प्रकार की वजह से वो क्या होते हैं, लुप्त हो जाते हैं, जैसे कि डायनासोर्स. We know that. Okay? Here is a environmental changes, and because some species adapt that environmental changes, and who don't adapt that environmental changes, that species dies. Now you know we have a problem, corona. You know corona. Suppose it is a environmental changes. For हमें क्या करना है, सर्वाइव करना है. कोरोना के खिलाफ हमें क्या करना है, सर्वाइव करना है. सर्वाइव करने के लिए कि हमने कुछ चेंजेस अपनाए हैं अपने लाइफ में. ओके, इस वजह से क्या हुआ है, हमारी प्रतिकार शक्ति बढ़ गई है और हमने वो चेंजेस अडाप्ट किए हैं. और जिसने प्रतिकार शक्ति, जिसने इम्यूनिटी पावर अडाप्ट कर ली, उसने बढ़ा ली, तो वो कोरोना के खिलाफ लड़ सकता है और वो जैसे कि वो बच सकता है. और जिसकी इम्यूनिटी पावर कम है वो कोरोना का शिकार हो जाता है. मतलब जो चेंजेस जस्ट लाइक दैट, जो चेंजेस इन स्पेसीज ने अडाप्ट किए वो क्या हुए, सर्वाइव हुए. मतलब वो उन्होंने न्यू स्पेसीज फॉर्म किए बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एनवायरमेंटल चेंजेस. और जिसने एनवायरमेंटल चेंजेस नहीं किए, अडाप्ट नहीं किए, वो क्या हुए, डाइड हो गए और एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए. अंडरस्टैंड दैट. The first scientist to give us a systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was Charles Darwin. It is a main point. Charles Darwin is a scientist, first scientist who gave the systematic explanation, a detailed explanation of evolution, concept of evolution. Species which are capable of adapting environmental changes are able to survive. Species which are capable of adapting environmental changes are able to survive. We see before. The one that cannot do become extinct in the process of evolution. We see before that. We see in this point. Okay. Now see, in ancient times there were many species of type of animal called dinosaur. You know dinosaurs. Okay. Look this picture. These are the various species of dinosaur. Okay. Dino in a Greek means terrible and saurus means lizard or reptile. Dinosaurs means terrible lizard. Dinosaur का दूसरा मीनिंग है terrible lizard. Okay. If you see the picture Jurassic Park, you can understand how the dinosaurs look like. This is the picture of dinosaurs. Okay. Dinosaurs means terrible lizard. Sometimes of these dinosaurs were enormous in size. It appears that these species of enormous dinosaurs suddenly became extinct. Some suddenly natural disaster or environmental change is believed to be responsible for their extinction. Fossil of dinosaur with wings have been discovered. These are scientists says that because of natural disaster or environmental changes, they are responsible for dinosaurs extinctions. Fossils of dinosaurs with wings have been discovered. The fossils of dinosaurs, fossils yani this is, okay. It is believed that some species of two-legged and winged dinosaurs evolved into birds. This picture is with wings. The dinosaur with wings. They are evolved into birds. ऐसा माना जाता है कि some species two-legged, this two-legged and winged dinosaur, that winged dinosaur evolved into birds. इसमें ये डायनासोर का क्या हुआ, बर्ड में इवोल्यूशन हो गया. Okay, understand that. Here we complete the concept of evolution. Now we see second point.